WellStone is North Alabama's mental health care leader, and this week, WellStone broke ground on a transformational mental health care center for children, the first of its kind right here in Madison County. Our Nixon Norman is live in the studio. Nixon, this is a big deal. Can you tell us why?
It sure is, Kanisha. Every year, HEMSI transports over 800 children out of Madison County and sometimes out of the state for inpatient psychiatric care. About half of those go to Decatur West in Morgan County, and the other half go wherever space is available. Patients can wait hours, sometimes days, for a bed. I spoke with a local grandmother who experienced this with her granddaughter. Watch as I share some of their story.
Would you believe that Huntsville, Alabama's largest city, does not have an inpatient psychiatric care center for children? That is ridiculous, and that is a shame.
WellStone opened up its crisis center for adults in September of last year. But the key word there is adults. But all that changes come late 2024, when WellStone is set to open the doors to Madison County's first inpatient mental health center for children.
All the way up to 17 years of age, if they are suffering from any type of a mental health emergency, once this place is built, they will be able to come here.
As mentioned earlier, about half of the local children who need mental health hospitalization go to Decatur West in Morgan County. The other half go wherever space is available. Both of these instances have happened to JJ Jane and her granddaughter, both of which live right here in Huntsville.
Last year, she was living with us, and she had a hospitalization in February, but we were able to get into Decatur West. In May, she had another one, so we had to wait in the pediatric ER for over 24 hours. And then the closest bed was in Laverne, Alabama, which is 4 hours one way.
According to the CDC, nearly 15% of children in the United States were treated for mental health disorders in 2021, further proving that mental health crises aren't exclusive to adults.
I absolutely think that it is much more common in children than people, realize. I think that it can be something that, like for our granddaughter, was caused by trauma, and so it just kind of came out of the blue. It wasn't something that we had on our agenda. It's not something she was born with. It's not something we could have identified. And we had to do the hospital stay because we couldn't get in with a child psychiatrist anywhere in the area. There's 6-month wait, so you have no other option. And families don't know what to do. But if you have a child that says they're going to hurt themselves or someone else or being aggressive, then you need help immediately. You don't have time to wait on waiting lists.
This new facility, geared towards the mental wellness of local youth, will help bring peace of mind to local parents.
Having a brand new building that is close to us that we are hoping that we don't have to use, but know that it's going to be there soon, and that other parents that might say, no, I won't send my child 4 hours away and not get the help, will at least have an option of something closer where they can get their child help as soon as they need it.
Now, WellStone is a 501c3 nonprofit, but WellStone isn't waiting any longer. The pediatric wing is scheduled for completion in late 2024. With all that being said, donations are needed to save lives. For more information on where to donate, visit fox54.com.